Welcome to Hotel 101 the Fort, a 3-star condo style hotel right in the heart of BGC Taguig. If you're looking for a comfortable stay with a prime location without spending luxury hotel prices, this might be one of the best value options in the area. Let's get started. Hotel 101 Fort is a 33-story business and leisure hotel along C5 Road corner Target Street, Taguig City. Its location is one of its biggest strengths, just a 5 minutes walk to SM Aura and about a 10 to 15 minutes car ride to several business locations in BGC. We booked a standard happy room for 3 nights for only $190 or about 10,900 pesos, with breakfast included, or about 3,600 pesos per night. First, let's do a quick room tour of the condotel style rooms. So let's check out the room of Hotel 101. So standard rooms, that's a nice touch. We have a microwave here, standard amenities, which is a water heater. Then there's a mini ref. There's a faucet here, so you can wash your um, utensils. Then smart TV, which is good, safe, and then there's cabinet here, so a long-term stay is okay as well. You have a cabinet here. So overall, I'm very impressed since Hotel 101 is a bit affordable. So let's open more lights here. So let's check out the room first. Rooms are easy, of course. Again, expected as this is just a budget hotel, but it's very spacious. And then there's an aircon there, window type. But as long as it's capable, it's fine. So a nice view of the city here. So it's a double and a single bed, and it's soft. Very soft. There's no pillowcase. They did inform me that there's no pillowcase yet. And then again, it's a smart TV here. Smart TV. So let's see again. Yeah, very impressed. See, that's a smart TV. You can watch Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video. You just need to link your account, and then let's check out the toilet here. So again, spacious. Nothing too special, but it's clean, spacious. Usually there's like a divider here, but I guess they didn't bother to um, put a divider there. Like a glass panel here. I don't mind. So yeah, overall, a nice clean toilet here with a shower heater there. Since there is like microwave amenities, and then there's some faucets here. Hopefully they have like utensils. Let's check if there are utensils here. I would say initial impressions of Hotel 101. I think this is only for around 2,200 to 2,500 pesos. Overall, I'm impressed. And if you're looking for something a budget here in BGC, it's just in front of SM Aura. I highly recommend Hotel 101. Another noteworthy issue is that the internet was a bit spotty during my 4-day stay. So, if you're like me and internet reliability is a bit important, this is something to take note of. Overall, I give Hotel 101 a B+ for their happy rooms. Clean, spacious, with a smart TV, a small kitchen which is great for long stays. But minor issues during my 4-day stay was the aircon is a bit noisy and internet was not that reliable, at least in my experience.
I wasn't really expecting much when it comes to hotel amenities since Hotel101 positions itself as a budget-friendly option, but I was pleasantly surprised. The swimming pool, while not huge, is actually decent and well maintained. It's clean, inviting, and perfectly fine if you just want to cool off or let your kids and toddlers enjoy a quick dip. They also have a conference room available, which makes this hotel practical for small business meetings, team discussions, or corporate stays. There's a small gym as well. Now, it's not something I'd call fully equipped or high performance, but it covers the basics. Enough for a quick workout to stay active during your stay. Overall, I'm giving Hotel 101 Fort a B-. You're not booking this place for luxury amenities. You're booking it for value, location, and functionality. And in that context, I'd say the facilities are more than acceptable for what you're paying. Here are some quick highlights and noteworthy mentions from my stay at Hotel 101 Fort. Service was surprisingly solid for a budget hotel. Staff handled all my concerns quickly and professionally. Big plus right there. We tried the in-room dining and it was actually good and reasonably priced. Same with the buffet breakfast. Not a huge selection, but everything tasted great and was more than enough to start the day. If you're driving, parking can be a little tricky to navigate at first. But the good news, there's plenty of space, which isn't always the case with budget hotels. So that's another win. And having a 7-Eleven right outside the lobby, super convenient for snacks, drinks, or last-minute essentials. Overall, for food and service, I'm giving Hotel 101 Fort a solid B+. For the price, it definitely delivers. Affordable, decent condotel-style rooms, and a really strategic location. That's what you're getting with Hotel 101 Fort. If you're looking for a budget-friendly place to stay near BGC, especially for business trips or even longer-term stays, this is definitely worth considering. You get practicality, accessibility, and solid value without overspending. For the price point and location alone, Hotel 101 Fort is an easy recommendation from me. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe for more travel videos. Thanks and see you at our next travel.